Hwaini mwega mwiroreri wa Equity TV gakihoka haria hothe wagitinda ukionjorithia muthenya wa umuthi wonjoria waku ni ukiuma na maumirira mega ni ritoria kone wa Wambui wa Icũgũ njitikiri na ningo ngikumenyithia maria mari kiondo-ini gitu kia wonjoria areta njira ya gukungwira miaka 23 ya utungata wa Tascamat riu ni iruguritie mucuba mweru na uria urikoragwo na ritwa ria Tusker miena yothe mugaru na uria ritwa riri rirakoragwo riandikitwo rita rimwe iratathi-ini ria mucuba wa njohi ino kama wanya guthii ni aratuithiraniria riboti.
When you grow any
thutha wa gucoka na thi hari wendia wa njohi ya Tusker Malt, kambuni ya Kenya Brewery ni iruguritie mucuba mweru wa njohi ino ya Tusker Malt guku bururi-ini. Akieria na andikia mohoro hwai wa ira guku Nairobi thutha wa gutongoria igongona riri, Balba Ndung'u kuma kambuni ino ya KBL ni augite makinyaniirie makinya maya arita njira ya gukungwira endia tene ya njohi ino guku bururi-ini.
So we want our consumers to fall in love again with Tusker Malt, because Tusker Malt for the longest time was Kenya's leading premium beer, and we've lost that glory in terms of the premium beer position, and we want to take it back to this position, and we want our consumers who used to love and drink Tusker Malt to come back to the brand. Hence the reason we brought back the pack, which they felt was very distinctive, and this is the brand that they'd like to this is the pack that they love.
Akiurecigie mucamo wa njohi ino, Ndung'u ni augite mucamo uyu ndukorwo ugicenjio kuona o kiria maracenjia no mucuba wa njohi ino na kutua wa kwendeka muno makiria ni endia njohi ino.
Same price, everything is the same. The only thing that has changed is the bottle. With what Tusker Malt represents, which is 100% malt, it needed to stand out. So being in the same bottle of Tusker Light, consumers struggle. They're like, how do I differentiate myself as a malt drinker and a light drinker? So we brought a pack that actually gives them the edge to say, I'm proud to be a Tusker Malt drinker.
Riu kambuni ino ni yambikite mutaratara wa gutigirira ati endia njohi ino ya Tusker Malt guku bururi-ini ni makorwo na ihinda riagiriru ria gukorwo magikura na mogaruruku maya mutaratara uria utanyite gukorwo ugitogorwo ni kambuni ino ya KBL.
Look out for exciting activations for Tusker Malt. We're bringing back the love. It's going to be exciting.